The key to economic independence for free people was land, and they believed they were entitled to it. As Virginia freedman Bailey Wyatt put it, our wives, our children, our husbands has been sold over and over again to purchase the lands we now locate upon. For that reason, we have a divine right to the land. General Sherman's Field Order 15 seemed like a dream come true. 40,000 freedmen were settled on 400,000 acres of land along the seacoast from South Carolina to Florida. Many freed people thought the federal government was going to grant 40 acres and a mule to every freed family. The dream of land ownership did not last. Less than a year after Field Order 15, President Johnson ordered nearly all the land in the hands of the government returned to its former owners. The head of the Freedmen's Bureau, General Oliver O. Howard, was ordered to announce the news to the freedmen. Free people were outraged. News spread along the Sea Islands. Opposition grew. Free people organized themselves, vowing to stand together and refuse to work for the white landowners. Howard appealed to Congress. But by the end of 1865, more than half of the land in the Sherman Reserve was back in the hands of whites. Many of the freedmen had no choice but to sign labor contracts, putting them back to work, though not as slaves, for white landowners.